Hi everyone, we are in Terminal 21 with Ate Grayson. So here, here in Thailand, there is a potato corner. There is a potato corner here in Thailand, and we all know that potato corner is very famous in Philippines. Have you tried it? She haven't tried it yet, but now she will try it with the kids. We're going to try the potato corner here in Thailand. I think this is the first potato corner here in Thailand. Yes, it's in Terminal 21 also, and it's in the ground floor. We are here in San Francisco. Yes, for now we are here in San Francisco. Look, can you see that? We are in San Francisco, so we are going to the Caribbean. We're going to the Caribbean country, and then we're going to buy the potato corner there. And then later we're going to Tokyo to go to the toilet. Yes. So guys, nandito kami sa CR. Terminal 21, their toilet looks very nice. Doesn't look like toilet at all. Right?
Hi. This is CR.
Tara, let's go. So here, this one sells this old bakery. SA?
Yeah.
I have a vlog. Are you watching my vlog?
Yeah. I subscribed to your channel already.
You did?
Yeah.
How come? How come you didn't tell me?
It was a secret.
Really? How did you know?
Ella's video.
You watch video?
Ella.
Ella!
The video.
Ella's video!
Welcome to San Francisco.
Yes! Thank you, SA! So here, I am with SA. And SA, where are we?
San Francisco.
We are at San Francisco! Yes! Look at that! That one, that bridge over there. Yes! Okay. Hanapin natin sila kasi they're taking picture at the San Francisco Bridge. Look at that! Wow! So we are here. Look at that. So here we are at the level ground Caribbean, right? Caribbean, and we're going to buy potato corner. Come na, Ella. Oops. So, pamilhan natin ang potato corner sa Ella. So let's see. You want fries? Fries? Let's see if they still have fries here. Because I think they changed. Or ice cream.
Or cow cake.
So here I can see now the potato corner. Can you see that? Can you see that? Nila? It's right there. Here.
Guys, check out these macaroons.
Macaroons. So
So
small.
Chips?
Which one you want? What flavor?
flavor do you want to taste?
Huh? Cheese? Jumbo? Or mega? Cheese lang kanan?
Come on.
You want all cheese?
Mix na lang.
Yeah, we can mix.
Wait.
We can
This ay
cheese, barbecue, or chili.
Not chili, it's too spicy.
Yeah? Chili. Hi, sorry ka. Okay, ikaw video ate, video ate. And we want Jaiga.
Okay.
And can mix 3 flavors, right? We want cheese,
Pizza.
sour cream, and barbecue.
Inday.
Ella.
Ella, excited? Let's eat now.
Thank you so much. World's best flavored fries. Okay. Yes.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Get one.
Yes. Yes. Let's see. The cheese, ate. The cheese. Is it hot? You like it, Ate SA?
Good.
Is it good? Tastes good? How about Ella? Give her the cheese. Blow it. Maybe it's hot.
You like it?
Yummy? Yes.
Try the barbecue.
Okay, the barbecue. Try it. You try the sour one, the sour cream.
Yeah, sour. The barbecue is a little bit spicy, but sour cream tastes good.
Okay, let's go there. Ate, dito lang niya. Good. Come on, let's go.
Sour cream.
Okay. What are we eating?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Let's get this. This one is barbecue.
It's a little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy, yes. Tastes good, right? A little bit spicy, but it tastes good. This one, what is it?
Sour cream.
Sour cream. Sour cream. I like this one.
It's a little bit sour, that's creamy. Good.
Good. What else? Oh, still sour cream.
Cheese.
Cheese. Like this?
If you're wondering what smoothie is, we have a fountain over there. That's why.
So yummy. It's yummy. Catalani. She likes it.
Ayaw ng spicy niya.
She likes the cheese only.
Kabalo ka, isi? Katood ka? Ha? Kabalo ka?
A mixture of both.
It's sour cream, but it's spicy.
Yummy? Yes? Let's say bye-bye na everyone. We're done eating. Hello. Bye-bye.
See you next vlog.
We're done eating, but Ella's not done yet.